As Erasmus once said, prevention is better than cure. A very good morning to one and all present here. We are students of Vagdevi Villa School, Marthalli of class 8. I'm Akshay.
I'm Shakti.
I'm Nitin.
I'm Pravar.
I'm Prithviraj Ashok.
I'm Aniket.
Drowning has become a major cause of accidental deaths in both swimming pools and open waters. Lifeguards, no matter how vigilant, cannot keep an eye on every single swimmer at all times. This highlights the need for an effective solution that is both practical and affordable. That's why we have come up with a wearable device that is going to detect the various values such as the blood oxygen level, heart rate and the body motion, which is then going to be transmitted wirelessly to an OLED display that passes out alerts that can easily help us provide instant assistance to the drowning swimmers.
So I'm going to explain about the swimmer's unit. Swimmer's unit captures the SpO2 level and heart rate level. It even has an accelerometer and a gyroscope, which is MPU 6050. So these informations are transmitted to the lifeguard through an ESP-NOW protocol. So when the swimmer drowns, his hand does not move. This is captured by the gyroscope and transmitted to the lifeguard.
In the lifeguard unit, there is an OLED display which displays the information, the name of the swimmer and its ID. It displays vital information like heart rate and SpO2, and if anything abnormal is noticed, it issues a warning as it can be in the form of a buzzer, a vibrator, LED or in the display.
Now I'm going to show the demonstration of the project. Here in the swimmer's unit, when the swimmer is moving in different directions, the MPU 6050 gives the live motion of the person in X and Y axis. Then when he stops moving and his SpO2 levels decrease and his heart rate increases, the ESP32C3 will send a signal to the lifeguards unit. Then in the lifeguards unit, when it will show the heart rate and the SpO2 levels in the OLED display, and when it goes to an abnormal level, it will give in three ways of it can give through the LED, the buzzer and the vibrator. And the lifeguard can save the swimmer on time.
I am going to talk about the future scope of our project. The wristband continuously tracks vital signs such as heart rate, oxygen levels and motion, all in real time. We are planning to make a health app which stores the data which we get in real time. And the AI, thanks to AI integration, before the swimmer is in critical danger, the AI system can send predictive alerts to the lifeguard unit. And this project ensures a safer swimming environment even in pools, beaches and training centers. Thank you.
Our project also aligns with the various sustainable development goals of the UN, a few of which are listed below. First comes goal number 3, which is good health and well-being. Our project tackles the problem of drowning, which of course can save many lives and can tackle the problem of good health and well-being. Then comes goal number 4, which is quality education. When the newer generations, such as the students, are gaining awareness about such technologies, they can also create such technologies and can save many lives. And finally comes industry, innovation and infrastructure. Our project is binding on such principles as we are using many booming technologies such as the ESP-NOW protocol, which help us get a hold of the overall technological aspects, and we bridge the gap between human vigilance and technological advancement. We would really like to express our gratitude to you for expressing our various ideas and our thoughts so that we can also create technologies which can help save lives in the future. Thank you. We would like to thank you for providing this precious opportunity for expressing our ideas and thoughts. Thank you.